How to find live rooms on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find live rooms on Clubhouse. So once you're on your own page, the first step or the first way to find live rooms is by searching for it. So on your feed, that is on your own page, you would see live rooms that are being broadcasted. So you can just join any. For example, on my own page, you can see that there are about 2 live rooms that are broadcasting now, and then I can easily join any of them. Or you can search for live rooms by moving to the bottom part of the screen, click on the search icon, and then click on the search box and go ahead to search for rooms that are live. All right. This is one way and the major way. And the other way to find live rooms on Clubhouse is by making use of the invitations from your friends. So you may receive invitations from friends to join live rooms. Look out for them, and then you can use that to join live rooms. So you can also look out for notifications that you were mentioned in a room chat. This will link you directly to the room. And another thing is to explore the houses that you're part of, as live rooms often occurs within houses. So you can just go to your profile by moving to the top right corner. You can click on your profile icon, and then you will see the houses that you belong to. So check these houses, as live rooms often occur within houses. So these are the various ways you can find live rooms on Clubhouse. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video. Have a good day.